Hello students, we have solved some division questions of polynomial by polynomial. So I have two more questions for you today. The way the question asked is slightly different. So if you see, find the quotient and remainder when this expression is divided by this expression, polynomial by polynomial. If you observe, the variables are in the ascending order. The degree of the variables is ascending, like power of x is 1 2 3 this way, and here the power of variable is like here x raised to 0, x raised to 1, x raised to 2. What we just have to do is, we are used to taking the variable with highest power at the beginning. So what we will do, we will write it in the other way. Means first I will write the degree with the highest power. Like first I will write 5x cube, then I will take next minus 13x square, then next plus 15x, and then the last plus 7. This we have to divide by this one. So even the divisor also we should write in the ascending order, first with the highest power, that means x square, next minus 3x, lastly plus 4. Okay, so now as we discussed in the previous questions, always we should check the first number of the dividend with the first number of the divisor. I mean to say, the first term of expression should match with the first term of divisor. So divisor I should make equal to the first term of the dividend. So in the dividend I need 5. Here I don't have anything, so first I need to multiply 5. So 5 into x square, it will become 5x square, but actually I need 5x cube I need. So for this x square I have to multiply one more x. So then x square into 5x, it will become 5x cube. So as I discussed in the last question, x square into what is 5x cube. So x square into 5x, x square into 5x will become this. So this is will go to quotient. Or I also showed another way, that this 5x cube, if you divide by x square, you will come to know the quotient. X square if you cancel, 5 out of 3 x's, 2x is cancelled, 5x left. So therefore 5x should be multiplied. But one thing you must remember, this 5x has to be multiplied with all the 3. So first 5x into x square will be 5x cube. Then minus into, it is plus 5x. So first minus into plus, minus. Then 3 into 5, 15. X into x, x square. So second term is multiplied. The last term also plus, as it is 4 5s are 20x. So after this step we have to subtract. So before subtracting we have to change the sign. Positive 5x cube will become negative. Negative becomes positive. This positive becomes negative. Now you have to subtract using the new sign. See, plus 5x cube minus 5x cube, it will get eliminated. Now minus 13x square plus 15x square, which means this is positive, that is negative. So we should do the subtraction. That means big number minus small number. 15 minus 13 is 2, and then variable is as it is x square. So I am writing plus 2x square because bigger number is 15 and whose sign is positive. So when two numbers having different sign, we should subtract and keep the bigger number sign. Next 15x minus 20x. Bigger number is 20x, so its sign will come. And when one is negative, one is positive, we have to do the subtraction. Subtraction difference between these two is 5x. Then that 7 will come down as it is. So one step is completed. Now forget about this dividend. This is the fresh dividend for you. Your divisor is same. Now your divisor's first term is x square. You are expected to have 2x square. So how do you make your x square equal to 2x square? Just you have to multiply with plus 2. X square into plus 2 is 2x square. Now 2 has to be multiplied with another remaining 2 terms also. Minus 3 plus 2. When you multiply, it will become minus 6x. Then 4 into 2, 8. So again subtraction. So before subtracting, sign change. Plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus, minus becomes plus. So 2x square minus 2x square eliminated, minus 5x plus 6x. So 6 is bigger number sign is positive, it will be positive. 1 is positive, 1 is negative, means you have to subtract. That means 6 minus 5 is 1x. I'll just write x. Then you have minus 8 plus 7. Bigger number is 8, whose sign is minus. 8 and 7's difference is 1. So this is what is your remainder. So now don't think of continuing the division, because the degree of the remainder is 1 and the divisor's degree is 2. So always remember, your divisor's degree should be lesser than the dividend's degree. Then only the division can be continued. So the now remainder is, you can just think that remainder is smaller than the divisor. So division has to be stopped here itself. Okay. So that's what is division of one polynomial by another polynomial. I have one more question which is also slightly different. Okay. So the question looks like this. Divide x cube minus 1 by x minus 1. If you observe, actually the variables should have been all the different variables, like one is x cube, next should be x square, x, they are all missing here. So what we have to do is, we have to assume that there is one 0 into x square, 0 into x, and then minus 1. So think that these two are missing there. So but in their place I am just representing them. And then we have to divide by x minus 1. Okay. So first term, we need x cube, but we have x with us. So this x, if I multiply with x square, x into x square, it will become x cube. Now this x square has to be multiplied to both. So first you multiplied x, now minus 1 into x square is minus x square. Now division. Now we have to subtract. Plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus. So x cube cancelled. Cancelled in the sense plus x cube minus x cube, 0. Okay, now 0 x square plus, it is actually 1 x square. So 0 plus 1 means it is 1 x square only. That too positive. Okay. So the next two things you just bring them down. 0 into x and then minus 1 come down. Okay, now you have x square and here you have x. So how do you make your x equal to x square? You just have to do into x. So x into x is x square. Then minus 1 into x is minus x. So now you can subtract. Plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus. So this is eliminated. Then what happens? 0 is there. 0 plus 1 it is here. 1 it is there. So 0 plus 1 is 1x. And then minus 1 comes down. So look. Now x minus 1. Here also x minus 1. X minus 1. 1s are x minus 1. So plus x becomes minus x. Minus becomes plus. So plus x minus x cancels. Minus 1 plus 1 cancels. Your remainder is 0. So this is how you can divide any type of a polynomial they may give. So whenever the variables are missing in between, so such variables should be taken like this, and then the division can be continued. Okay, so I hope you have understood. Share with your friends if you like this, and then if you have doubts, write in the comment box and I'll explain to you. See you.